Hey guys, so I want to show you a quick way to create a bullet list on your page that's also mobile responsive. So I'll start with a blank template and I'm just giving it a name, and it'll start from complete scratch. And so over here what I'll do is I'll pick a 2-column layout, and in the 2-column layout I'll drag a video on one side, and then let's put some text. Make it a title text so it's large, and call it a good headline. And let's add some subheadline also. Now what I want to do is I want to add a bullet list underneath this, and the way I do it is I go in the section, click on the row, then click on the first column, and once I'm in there I can add a row, so like so, and it gives me options. I'll pick a 2-column row. Essentially on one side I want the icon like a check mark or something, and on the other side I want to add the text. Now let's just resize the icon really quick. I'll make it super tiny, and now you can see how it's using just about equal width in the area. So what I can do is I can go to the click on the column row and then go in the column, and then I can resize the column of just that icon to be maybe 1, so that we have plenty of room to type in the text for your bullet list, for example. So I'll write something over there. Now let's change the icon. I'll type in check. I want a check mark. And so I'll click on the icon essentially and replacing it right now. And let's pick a font. Awesome. I think this one looks nice. And I'll change the color of it. Looks good. Now let's just remove any spacing. So I'll just click on remove padding, so there is no spacing on the text, and then same thing on the icon. And so everything is a lot more close to each other essentially. And now what this does is it allows me to go back to the row, and as you can see the row 2. So the entire thing I can clone it multiple times. So I'll clone it a few times. And there you have it, a really cool bullet list. And then let me just add a button. I'll just make the button look a little bit fancier. The same color. We'll make the button full width so it matches the width of the column. Now let's make it a completely mobile responsive bullet list. So you can see on a mobile device it doesn't look all that mobile responsive. And the way we do it is we'll go back out to the section, click back on the row, and then I'll make each of the column by going into its settings and change the mobile resize so it's taking the full width. Although we have the column full width, I don't like the icons right by themselves. So what I can do is, after making the second column full width also, I'll go into each of the row and then click on the column 1 where the icon itself is, and I'll make it maybe 2 wide. I'm repeating that for each of the icon, pretty much going in the column where the icon is and just making it just wide enough so it looks nice on a mobile device. Right there. And the last one. Notice how I'm making it 2 column width on a mobile just so that it looks really nice on a mobile device, and you have full control over how you want it to look like on a desktop, tablet, and mobile. Just check it one more time. But there you have it. Enjoy.